Healthy hair starts here. Meet the HASK new Repair Pro collection. Deep repair and hydration without the high cost. Rooted in hair and skin kindness, HASK is about restoring and strengthening because when your hair feels good, so do you. After a double wash and condition, it's time for the powerhouse. The Bond Building Leave-In Cream Treatment. HASK's leave-in treatment locks in hydration, smooths frizz, and protects against damage. This small but mighty product has shown to improve damage up to 85%. Powered by a triple bond complex, this treatment helps to rebuild broken bonds by reversing the damage in the hair shaft. My hair feels stronger, healthier, and looks shinier than ever. All this without breaking the bank. HASK is set to be the #1 repair brand for the healthiest hair in the world. Now the question is, are you ready to repair yours?